Good day everyone, welcome back to Jebros Tech channel. Thanks for all of you who have already subscribed, and if you are a newcomer on this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a new video. On this channel we are dedicated to adding value to you in terms of technology, science. We add value to you on this channel, and we don't just give you information, we also teach you how to use the information. We teach you how to apply it so that you can use it out there to make money, to benefit yourself, and to make life easy for you. So let's jump right in. Today we are going to learn how to create an app using an app. So recently, as a front-end web developer, I've been trying to create an app for my project that I'm working on. So I did some research and I discovered I was going to learn Java or Python to be able to create this app, and I think it was going to take about 1 year or 2 years to learn Python or Java. That is if I'm going to combine the two, but if I'm going to learn one, it will take about 6 months thereabouts. That is if I'm well committed. So, and I wasn't going to give in to that. I wasn't willing to sacrifice another 6 months, though it's quite beneficial to learn those languages if you want to learn them. Subsequently, we'll be doing videos on Python and Java subsequently, but right now I needed something fast, so I got frustrated, but I kept digging, and recently I stumbled over an app, very amazing app, and I used it. It's very amazing. It helped me to create my app, and today I'm going to share this valuable information with you so that you can be able to benefit from it. So this app is called Appe. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description below so that you can download it from Google Play Store. So let's jump right in. But before then, let me show you the app I just created. It's just a simple app. Just a simple app, very simple app. Please subscribe for newcomers, and for those who have already subscribed, thank you. So this is our app. I just did a rough sketch of the app. So these are for about us, in the gallery, and then you have the crosses. Just a rough sketch. Then my Facebook page it would have opened, but due to network it will not open. My website, let's see how it will load. Let's wait for this one to load. So basically this is the app I created with the app. Yeah, I use an app to create an app, and in this app you don't need any coding experience. You don't need to know how to use HTML, JavaScript and the rest. Just simple drag and drop. Just drag a feature you want and drop, and the rest is history, and boom, your app is created and you're ready to use your app. And that's all. Thank God my website have opened. Okay, this Jebros, how to make money online. Here I sell books on how to make money online, digital marketing, online Bible. I'm going to be leaving the link of this website in the description below if you are interested in digital marketing. If you want to start making money online, this is the best website for you, and the books are here at a very cheap cost. So let's jump back right in. If you want to make a call, it goes direct there. So this app is called Appe, E-P-P-E. It's very amazing app. So today we are going to be using it to create our app. So this is the app. We are going to use this. So let's open the app and begin creating our app. app, right? Okay. So because I've started the project, I've created one project, it's already showing here, but if you use the link in the description below and you click and you download the app, it will show nothing on this page. It will just be blank. It will be only this icon, and it will be showing only two icons, this particular icon and this particular icon. So for us to create an app, the first thing we need to do is we click on this icon right here. So let's click on it right now. So the first thing you need to do is to fill out all this information right here: the name, icon, card created by, the language, and you put in the description. So let's put our name, the name of our app. I'm going to title it JBros Tech. I'm going to leave the name of the icon as JBros Tech also, and then the category, we have to choose category. Okay, let's say there are a lot of categories here. If you want travel, if you want sports, religion, photography, news and information, lifestyle, health and fitness, and the rest. So but for us, for this purpose, for this tutorial, we are going to be clicking on education. Okay, education. So we type in the name of the app. I'll see type JBros. Let's leave it as JBros. The language, of course, is English. The description of the app. Description of the app, let's say for tutorial purpose. Okay, that is the description. So when we are done, we click on next right up there. So we'll click on next. So it's going to take us to where we are going to choose the color we want the app to be in. Of course, I'm going to choose my best color, that's yellow. I don't even know which one is even exactly yellow yet, but let's go with this one. Let's go with that one. I chose this one actually. So let's go with that one. You can choose your own. This is your preference. You can choose your own. Then we'll click on next. Now, if you look at the top, you see icon. You see icon and background image. So you just click on this plus sign and choose from existing images. So I'm going to choose from existing images. So I'm going to choose this image right here as my background, and I'll take it right here. So if you want to save this image, you just click on this area right here and it will be saved. So we'll click there, and that's it. We'll click next. Then menu style. How do you want your menu to be? Like the former app. Like in this app. Whoa, I just took it out. Let's check the other app and see how the menu style was. So here, this was the menu style. So this is what they mean by menu style. These things right here, this is what we call menu style. So the next thing on the app, that's what we're going to be creating right now. So menu style, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be going with this one here. So we'll click on it, and then so we are going to fill in the details. So the first one, let's say we want about, also we title the app. We'll title the app right here. So I'm going to put the title. The title of the first menu. The title is, okay, let's say about us. So we are going to search, come down to external actions, click on external actions, and then we'll choose Nope, it's not on external actions. Let's go back a bit. Click on other screens. Other screens. Then we'll choose description and title the description. For me, I'm going to put about us again. Then the description, I will say please to this channel to get more information. I'll click on done, adopt. Then the next thing, okay, let's say I want to put in my social media page. I will title it Facebook page. So you will link your Facebook page. You go to external actions. Wow. Okay. Seems we are learning this together. Okay, we'll go to feed connectors. Feed connectors. And then we'll search for Facebook. For some features on this app like YouTube, to link your YouTube, you need to go to the pro version. But things we do on this channel, most of them are for free. So to link your Facebook, you check for Facebook. Here is Facebook right here. We'll click on Facebook feed. Then here we'll put our Facebook ID, Facebook page ID. So I'm going to put my ID. I think it's facebook.com/Joshua TSJ. You can also follow me on my Facebook page to get more information also. We'll click on done next. Then we have added our Facebook page. Let's say we want to add a dial pad for people to reach us through our phone. To call us, you can say contact us. So we're going to go to external actions again. Click on dial pad. Then put in your phone number. So +234 09030327824. That's my phone number. Please don't copy it too. So next, let's say we want to add gallery. So we'll title it gallery. Go to image screens. Now here, most of them are pro version. So if you want to go deep into this app, you need to pay money actually. So click on of these gallery options here are for pros. That is if you want to go, are for paid versions. If you want to buy, you can buy them, but for the purpose of this one, we're going to be using that one. Okay, the one I just clicked on. We're going to be using this single image zoomable. We click on it, click on the plot sign here, and click on choose existing. So we're going to choose an image. So let's choose this image and then click on done. So let's say we want to add a map next so that people can get to us, can locate us. So we'll click on it, then click on, let's title it map. Okay, let's call it location instead. Location. Click on interactive map next. So map location, multi location. So click on map location. Okay, network. So okay, let's say we are in Mexico. Okay, choose something else from Nigeria, so probably choosing something else. Okay, without wasting time, let's say we are from Afghanistan. Put it right there and click done. And whoa, our map is being added, so let's add one more feature. Okay, let's say we want to add our website. Click on website, title it website, and then click on external actions, and click on website right here, and then put our link here. Okay, that's my website, how to make money online. I'm going to leave the link in the description below so that I can get there. On that website, we do sell books at a very affordable cost about digital marketing, copywriting, and the most trending ways to make money online legitly. So we click on done. So let's say our app, that's all we want to add next. So click on the button down below, this button right here, so that we can publish our app and start using it. So we'll click on publish now. So our app is publishing. We just wait for a few seconds. It's not going to take a lot of time. Oh, our app is ready to be used. So automatically it will redirect us to download and install our app. So click on install. You just click on the three buttons right here. And then we'll go to install app. Look at install app. Yeah, that one. You click on it and then click on install. So you're going to install our app, because if you click on this one here, it will keep redirecting you. So just follow that step. So we'll come back, and yeah, our app has been installed. So let's check our app out and see how it's doing. Okay, whoa, our app has opened. So we'll click on About Us and see. So About Us, please subscribe to this channel to get more information. We'll go back, Facebook page. Okay, I guess that was not my Facebook page link, that's why it didn't open. Okay, we'll click on Contact Us, and whoa, it has taken me directly to my phone to call now, but because I'm using my number, I can't dial my own number. So click on Gallery. Wait for the image has already opened already. So go back, we'll click on location. I will choose Afghanistan just for the purpose of this tutorial. I'm not in Afghanistan, please. And then we'll click on our website and wait for it to load and open. Wow, our websites have opened already. You can see books at a very affordable cost. Selling online marketing Bible, make money writing. They are very good secrets to make money online. Very good secrets. So we'll go back, and yeah, that's our app. We've created an app for free without any coding, without any HTML, Java or Python knowledge, and we've created our app already. So that's the app for you there. So once again, this is J Bros Tech. Welcome to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thanks for subscribing. For those who have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a new video. Okay, bye for now.